In this video, I am going to show you how to fix blue screen error in Microsoft Windows. A blue screen error can occur on Windows machines when a critical issue forces the system to shut down unexpectedly to prevent damage. These errors can be caused by both hardware and software problems. So in that situation, what you can do? Step number 1. Check for recent hardware installations. If you recently installed new hardware and then encountered a blue screen error, try removing the new hardware and restarting your PC. Step number 2. Start your PC in safe mode. If restarting normally is not possible, try starting your PC in safe mode. This mode loads only the basic drivers and files needed to start Windows, which can help isolate the cause of the error. You can find instructions for starting your PC in safe mode online by searching for Start your PC in safe mode in Windows. Make a good research related to that. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.